Have you ever finished filming only to realize later that some of your shots were blurry, noisy, or low quality? Reshooting isn't always an option. In today's video, I'll show you how Wondershare Filmora 15's new AI enhancement tools can help restore your photos and videos right inside the editor. Let's get started.
In this video, I'll show you how to transform low-resolution, low-detail footage into sharp, high-definition videos that look like they were shot on a professional camera in a studio. Even ordinary smartphone videos that lack sharpness and clarity can be enhanced into more cinematic, high-quality content. Low light and night footage filled with heavy noise can also be restored into clean, usable HD videos with improved detail and sharpness. Even dull, blurry, or heavily compressed videos can be brought back to life using the AI enhancement tools in Filmora 15. And it's not just videos. You can also restore low-quality photos with missing details. The best part? Most of these enhancements are just one click away. Let me show you how. First, place your media onto the timeline in a new Filmora 15 project. For this first example, I've imported an indoor video of a musician recording a performance with a basic camera. As you can see, the footage lacks sharpness and fine detail. Before publishing it on social media, upscaling the footage can add significant value and visual appeal, giving it a much higher production value. To begin, double-click the video to open the video properties. Under the Basic tab, scroll down to the option called AI Video Enhancer. Filmora 15 offers 4 different AI models for video enhancement. The first is Standard AI Enhance, which provides fast, high-quality enhancement. Next is Generative Enhance, which delivers even better results. It currently supports videos up to 3 minutes long, 60 FPS, and a maximum resolution of 4K. The third option is AI Night View, designed specifically for low-light footage with excessive noise and poor visibility. Finally, there's Topaz Starlight, the most advanced enhancement model capable of producing the highest quality results. It supports videos up to 1 minute long and takes longer to process. For this first demonstration, I'll use the standard AI Enhance mode. In my case, it costs 20 AI credits. Simply click Generate and the AI processing begins. The video is now ready, and as you can see, the footage looks noticeably sharper and more detailed. Compare the two side by side, and the improvements become much more obvious. The musician's face appears cleaner, the shirt and guitar show better texture, and the visible grain on the background wall has been reduced. Most importantly, the enhancement doesn't look artificial. It simply gives the footage a cleaner, sharper, and more polished look while preserving its natural appearance. Next, let's take a look at this video. As you can see, there's visible noise, a noticeable lack of sharpness, and soft edges throughout the footage. You can also see compression artifacts and pixelation caused by the very low bitrate and the limitations of the recording device. Let's enhance this video using Filmora 15's AI Video Enhancer. This time, we'll test the Generative Enhance mode. This 6-second clip will cost me just 14 AI credits. Let's start the generation process. Here's the enhanced video. The improvement is immediately noticeable, with higher resolution and much finer detail throughout the frame. Now, compare it with the original. The butterfly's wing patterns are more defined, the flowers and leaves reveal finer textures, and the background looks much smoother with reduced compression artifacts. Next, let's move on to this nighttime cityscape of Moscow. As you can see, the footage suffers from heavy noise, reduced visibility, and a noticeable loss of detail, making the footage look soft and less usable. Now let's apply Filmora 15's AI Night View mode, which is specifically designed to enhance low-light videos. This 7-second clip will cost me just 8 AI credits. The enhanced result is now ready, and the cityscape looks much cleaner and more vibrant. Compare the two side by side. The illuminated Radisson Collection Hotel and the surrounding skyscrapers appear brighter and more clearly defined. If you look closely at the upper section and spire of the hotel, you'll notice significantly less visible noise and much better definition. The darker areas also reveal more detail, while the sky appears cleaner with reduced noise. Overall, the footage becomes much clearer while preserving the natural look of the nighttime scene. Next, let's test the most challenging example, a heavily compressed, low-resolution video with very little fine detail. This time, we'll use the Topaz Starlight model. Let's generate the enhanced version. The processing is complete, and the enhanced version immediately stands out with richer colors, improved clarity, and a much more visually striking appearance. Here's the before and after comparison. Notice how the colors have much better depth and contrast, giving the scene a more lifelike appearance. The plaid shirt reveals much finer fabric texture, individual hair strands are better preserved, and the lettering on the album cover appears noticeably crisper. The reduction in compression artifacts also gives the entire frame a more refined, high-resolution finish. Filmora's AI enhancement tools can fix your low-quality photos as well. Let's look at the Big Ben image, which is shot in the late eve, having too much grains, less clarity. Under the image, Basic tab, the AI image enhancer features the standard AI Enhance mode. Let's start the generation. It costs 20 AI credits. The enhancement is complete, and the transformation is quite impressive, giving the image a far more refined and professional look. Looking at both versions together, the grain across the sky has been greatly reduced, creating a much smoother background. Look at Big Ben and the surrounding buildings. Architectural features such as the clock tower, windows, and roof lines are much more distinct. The warm evening tones are reproduced more faithfully, making the entire scene feel more natural. The result has greater depth and definition, giving the photo the appearance of being captured with a much better camera. Finally, let's try one more photo. This close-up macro shot lacks fine detail, making the bee and flower appear slightly soft. This image costs me 20 AI credits to process. Let's generate the enhanced version. The processing is complete, and the result looks remarkably crisp. Take a closer look at the difference. The bee now reveals finer detail around the head, wings, and body. The flower petals also have better definition, making their individual shapes stand out more clearly. Together, these refinements give the macro shot a much more natural and professional look.
Great videos aren't always about capture perfect footage. They're about editing and making the most of what you have. Filmora 15's AI enhancement tools help you give every frame a second chance, turning ordinary or imperfect shots into something you're proud to share. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy creating.